Hi, welcome back. Another important session. This is a simple thing, like one kind of have chances. If you said that if you have some experience on rebates, definitely you will have certain questions on that. Okay, difference between ERB and ERU key in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, let's see this on SAP system. I'll try to explain you. First thing is that I already created one video related to rebates actually. Okay, so basically what is the rebate? First you try to understand. Sometimes they will ask what is the difference between simple question like a discount and rebate. Discount actually it is in instant in nature. For example, if you go to certain mall, you buy a certain product. For example, you bought a Philips uh, set, actually music set. For that you are getting like one kind of mouse or something like that, something related to that. You are getting some kind of instant discount. For example, you go big budget, generally like what happens. So in a month starting or month starting, most of the times, like if you buy 1,000 rupees products, okay, so they're giving instant discount as some 50 rupees or 100 rupees, or else certain products like 1 kilo sugar or something, that is either privilege or discount, that is instant in nature. There is no future settlement. Whereas rebate, that is discount. Okay, whereas rebate, it is retroactive in nature. Like I set a target. Someone, I'll try to apply the same example for Philip distributor. If he has reached in his region 1 crore target, I'm just giving 1%. Okay, that means 1 lakh additional benefit I'm giving. Okay, if he reached 70% target, I'm giving 0.5. Okay, this is the rebate. So then what happens when your invoices are generated on the name of the distributor, when he started doing full sales? Okay, the stock is moving on. So company also will set a limit. The same thing, he cannot able to do it after a few years. It might be like 6 months or a year. Once he crossed, when he eligible whether 70% or 100%, the value will be accumulated, whatever the percentage it is calculated, that will be paid back. Okay, final with in the form of the final settlement or partial settlements. It depends on the company how it takes. This is the difference actually. I have already explained. You can find those things in my video. But what exactly technically when you talk about standard, this ERB and ERU, okay, account keys, what it talks about? Let's see this. Before that, you check this. I'm already holding 3,485 students. This is sales and distribution course, which is exclusively 86 hours, and it will try to be upgraded with interview questions. What I'm now explaining and everything, it might move more than 100 hours in future. We try to understand this. SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics and Business Partners. This is the concept now trending in the market. Try to learn CVA integration. If you'd like to getting master to write functional specification irrespective of any module, I have given certain examples, depth explanation. Get into that. And I have given one template to download. If you are from PP, if you are from MM, or you are from SD, you try to apply one SD example, try to write one functional specification. That is the exercise you can do it to get it better instead of worrying in real time. Okay, this is the pain point for me when I joined in the company. That's why I'm telling you. So we practice it. Okay, before getting into the real time. SAP SD complete pricing concepts. If you'd like to get experience, okay, pricing, you do this course and at a basic level. And if you'd like to do the course SAP SD ECC S4 HANA expert advanced pricing concept, if you'd like to do it, you can do this course. And another course is there for rebates. Actually, this is the context of rebates. You try this course. It is I'm just recording live, so it is bit lengthy when it comes to closure, but it is a very good course. You can learn rebates basics in a perfect manner. Okay, all these are the different SD and S4 HANA courses. I'm just providing link below of this video. If you want it, you can subscribe. Okay, now let's get into the topic actually. So you see this ERB is for particularly for revenue. Whenever you raise an invoice, right, what is the total net value? It is there. The revenue will be calculated. That is as part of this. So why this is accruals we have? Accruals means retroactive in nature, means like on past invoices also by using a rebate program you can apply it. Okay, for example, we'll have a discussion on that. What is the benefit of the rebates? But you try to understand. And someone ask in the pricing procedure, revenue, ERB represents the revenue, ERU represents the account key in standard accruals. You need not use the same, it depends on your project. You can try to use different account keys. What is the basic advantage of accruals? It is retroactive in nature. So, for example, you have a bunch of invoices. If you have a target, the value will be calculated and it will be pushed in certain GL account. Okay, why? Because why we are pushing it is an accrual. Once the target is fulfilled by the person who actually performing the sales activity, it will be paid back as a final settlement or a partial settlement. It depends on the scenario and rebates actually. So that's what you have to give the explanation. So this is for revenue, ERE is for accruals. You should remember this, otherwise it is difficult for you. If you say rebates, you cannot able to answer simple questions. It's a tough time for you in interview. With fear, never say that if you don't know something, I know something. Honesty is so important in interview board. That's what I keep on telling to them. Probably we'll do one thing, how to attempt an interview. I'm planning to do mock interviews. I'm just asking my fellow friends and professionals. So I'll try to do those mock interviews to get benefit for you. Okay. A little be serious about your careers. So SD is 40 years old module. So if I am not disappointed 10 years ago, you will not be disappointed if you do hard work. Thank you so much. More importantly, keep smiling. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a great day. All the best. All the best, folks. All the best. All the best.